Hello guys, welcome back. In this new video today I'll show you how you can install OpenCV in your machine. So you cannot install OpenCV without Python. To make sure I already have Python in my machine, I can check my Python version with this following command: python hyphen version. So as you can see, I have Python 3.7 version in my machine. Now I can install OpenCV with the following command: pip install OpenCV-Python. So in my case, I already installed OpenCV in my machine. This is the reason why it's showing requirements already satisfied. So what I can do now to check the installation of OpenCV is to type the Python command with Python enter. And now what I can do is to import CV2. So the OpenCV package is called CV2 when you install OpenCV. Now I can type enter, and then to show the OpenCV version, now what I can do is CV2 underscore version. Oops, I forgot the dot here. Underscore version. Now you can have the OpenCV 4.2 version in my machine. So that will be all for this video. See you guys in the next video to getting started using OpenCV. Bye.